Why pipette yourself when it can be done automatically? Dr. Julius Wiener from the startup goodBot invented a robot for this purpose and launched it on the market last year. It can help advance the lagging automation in research laboratories. Having worked in the laboratory myself, it is simply incredibly important that a device can be used flexibly if it is to be used at all. From a technological point of view, the special thing about our robot is that it doesn't take up a lot of space. It is just the size of a desk lamp and can therefore be picked up very easily and carried into the room for cell culture, for example, to a colleague's workstation. At the same time, the modular workstation around the robot allows us to carry out small experiments with just one selection plate and a few samples, but also very large experiments by simply docking onto more modules. The first thing that strikes many people when they see our device for the first time is the user interface and how simple and intuitive it is. In fact, in the laboratory, we are often still used to user interfaces that are reminiscent of Windows 98, and we have really gone to great lengths to ensure that it is modern and easy to use. This means that, on the one hand, we will offer multi-channel pipettes, and on the other hand, the first modules that extend the functionality of the robot in the sense that you can shake, you can heat, and you can cool. In the long term, we are also planning to offer software add-ons. This means that you have interfaces to your electrical lab notebook, where you can store the data that you have generated directly. Perhaps you also have interfaces to your analysis device and collect the data from there, process it, and then plan to start the next experiment accordingly. Our robot is in particular demand in laboratories that work with a lot of cell cultures. This is simply work that is extremely sensitive, prone to errors, and requires a high level of consistency. Especially in the field of stem cell research or stem cell differentiation, it is a pain point for many laboratories. What other robot developers may have had to develop themselves 10, 15, or 20 years ago, we can now produce directly from the market. This also enables us to offer a relatively simple robot for less money. Many of our users see the main advantage in the fact that the robot gives them opportunity to multitask. The robot is not necessarily faster than a human. This is the case with most repetitive robots. But it simply takes the time you have for repetitive tasks and leaves it for other possibilities.